All right guys, exciting one for you guys today. I have the official unboxing kit. This thing is packed full of goodies and the T45 clipper and trimmer. You guys have seen a first look a little over a week ago. I put that out, but we're gonna open up this box, check out everything in it. I'm gonna tell you guys some more details about the clipper and trimmer and the whole process. So let's go ahead and flip this thing and check it out. All right, so kind of like our normal unboxing kits that we get, except you guys can see the difference here. BabylissPro times Tomb45, a little bit different, a little collaboration here. On the very front, it says from imagination to reality in matte black. On black, you can't really see it. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. Now let's go ahead and slide it down. Go ahead and show you guys a little bit up here. These are gonna all be on the boxes, but BabylissPro times Tomb45, 2 innovators, 1 mission, redefining the industry. So guys, that is what we're trying to do here. We took a brand that does listen to barbers, that does make innovative tools, merged it with another brand that innovates on equipment and tools for barbers. We all came together, took a lot of ideas, and put out the T45. So let's go ahead and dig through this box and see what else is inside. Now you can see the first thing when we open this up. Box number 2. You're holding box 2 of 50. Each box represents a step in this exciting launch story, and you're among the first to experience it. Thank you for unboxing with us and being part of something so special. We're excited to have you with us on this journey. Box number 2. Now I've talked to my guy Beam, he's box 21 and he is not happy about it. I told him I'd send him the number 2 card, but you know, it's just not the same. Now underneath that, guys, is this little pamphlet that comes, has some information in it. Again, a lot of this stuff is probably gonna be on the boxes, so we'll see. But you can see a picture of the clipper and trimmer here, super nice graphic. BabylissPro times Tomb45, 2 forces, 1 mission. If we open it up, you guys can see a detailed breakdown, pretty much what is on the back of the box, so we're not gonna go through it right here. And we do have the dryer here that is the Nano Light. This is the dryer that's been out. I have the Klutch yellow one and the black one. It's the same thing, it just has a little tomb green accent on it, and it does have a rubber grip. So on the back, you guys can see some information about the collaboration and what that team looks like. So we have 44 global educators, 25+ million followers amongst both brands and all of the educators, and 158 million plus interactions on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and all social media platforms. Let's go ahead and set that over here. You guys can see we got a new Babyliss Tomb45 hat. I am not the hat wearer. Let's just, you know what I'm saying, for the video, let's throw it on, guys. I don't want you to know, but I gotta put it on the last 2 notches for it to fit. Let's go ahead and throw this joint on. Yeah, I'm not a hat guy. Let's see, I got a mirror right there. Yeah, it's not too bad, but I feel like the kid in the Sandlot when I put hats on. So let's go ahead and lose that. Next over here we have a Tomb45 Indestructible clay. You guys know it's my favorite product. I think obviously, you know, I have a drawer full of this, but some of the educators for BabylissPro probably have not seen our clay or used it, so we wanted to include that. You know, that is the collaboration effort here. We're bringing what we're strong at, Babyliss is bringing what they're strong at. Now we can work together to be even better. Over here on the side, the most controversial part of this whole unboxing, guys, charging pads are gonna be included with these units. They're not in the box, but they are gonna come with it. So you guys, if you look closely, you can see Babyliss times Tomb45 at the top. Other than that, it is the exact same as the charging pads we had before. They work the same, they fit in the mat. Those are a lot of the questions that I have, and they are included with your purchase. So don't trip, guys. You will have wireless charging ready when you buy the T45 clipper or trimmer. Now over here, we just have some Babyliss goodies, fade brush, comb set. This is like a razor comb I actually haven't used. This is a dual clipper sleeve that you can put a clipper and a trimmer in at the same time. Go ahead and put that over here. Man, this is maybe the biggest unboxing box I've ever gotten. And now we have the T45 clipper and trimmer. So let's go ahead and set these over here because there's a few more things. Tomb45 collectible pen from Tomb45 and Pen Stop. We've got some hair grippers and a black on black BabylissPro cape. Now before I toss this box, guys, I want you to look in here. These are the drawings, some of them the very first rough sketches that Bossio did, some of them the renderings from Babyliss, the blade, just, you know, just a bunch of the stuff that you guys can see the process of how this came about. So I'm trying to look and see, you know, I think this is kind of the first sketch that Bossio did, and then you can see just all these little notes. It's just kind of a cool feature to see where this came from. And if you guys weren't aware, Bossio drew this on a napkin or scrap piece of paper or something like that. Got with Babyliss, said they had some ideas. You know, as Tomb45, we have a lot of input, we have a lot of knowledge on clippers, and we didn't want to just go make our own. We didn't want to call China and say, give us this clipper and put our logo on it, anything like that. We knew we wanted to build it from the ground up. We knew that BabylissPro was the brand to do that. And so it's been a 3-year process. To be honest, guys, I'm absolutely shocked that we kept it a secret. I've known about it the whole 3 years. And I don't even know if I've ever hinted at it, but I definitely am impressed with all of us to keep it a secret. But the word is out now. You guys can see all the stuff included here, all the process included here. But let's go ahead and get this big box out of the way and check out the clipper and trimmer. All right, so I left the expansion pads out. We'll go ahead and pop one out. I just want you guys to be able to see it. Let me get a little razor blade or something. Go ahead and pop this. All right, so a lot of word going around saying that these were not included by people that didn't know what they were talking about. But guys, these are included. If you're not familiar with them, these are the wireless charging pads. We'll go ahead and get both of them out. Pretty easy to use, pretty self-explanatory, but I do want to show you guys just so, you know, we don't have any questions when everybody gets these in their hands. Now, first thing I noticed here, guys, no cords in the box. And for a second I thought, you know, maybe that's gonna be a problem, but what I realized is there's cords in here. So you guys can use the cord. If you're not gonna plug it in, the USB-C to the clipper or trimmer, you can just plug it into your charging pad. So let's go ahead and slide these out of the way. Once we get this stuff out, I'll show you guys how they work. All right, so here it is, guys. I'm gonna do a little more of an in-depth look now that we have a box. So you can see we got the clear window here. I actually just talked to one of the designers at Babyliss. We may be going away with the window. Now, I'm actually not a fan because I wouldn't have this wall behind me. I would have a whole wall of boxes. But once you take the clipper out, it's just an empty box. So I don't mind that idea. I don't know if you guys like the window. I know their idea was that, you know, you want to see what you're buying. For me, I'm pretty educated about it. If the picture's on the box, just like this one, that's good enough for me, right? So anyway, that doesn't matter. BabylissPro Tomb45, you see the green outline. You can see the T45 inside. We'll go ahead and flip it over here. BabylissPro X Tomb45, new DS1 dual speed motor, so it does have 2 speeds, up to 4 hours of runtime. It has a MIM blade. Guys, the prototypes actually had a different blade. We were trying to kind of come up with something new, and we really all ended up liking the MIM blade better. So we went with just the standard MIM blade that you can see on most of the stuff that's behind me in the black color. New compact ergonomic housing, wireless charging compatible, and a 2-year warranty. I know some of you guys worry about that warranty. So you can see here, I think this is pretty real size. And again, now on the box it says wireless charging pad not included. It is not in the box. Before somebody comments and says, it says right there, it's not included. It's not gonna come in this box. It's like literally bigger than the box. So anyway, now let's check out the back. BabylissPro Tomb45 wireless charging clipper. That's cool, they just call it a wireless charging clipper. So as far as I know, this is one of the first clippers that has wireless charging actually built in. So you know we did the Powerclips for the power mat, now it's actually just built into the clipper. Again, wireless charging pad not included in this box. Black titanium MIM blade, has an acute cutting blade that provides ultra precise cuts, reduced contact area, maintains lower blade temperature, built-in oil reservoirs, ensures smooth, friction-free performance. I wanna tell you guys real quick on that topic of MIM blades, guys, they have those reservoirs inside. You gotta make sure that you oil them. I actually over-oil mine so that I know the oil gets down in the reservoirs and it will last a little bit longer. If your MIM blade seems like it's getting hot, I would make sure that you have plenty of oil on there and that the blades are adjusted correctly. You shouldn't have a problem. Again, new DS1 dual speed motor. Guys, the high speed is gonna be 7,500 RPMs, the low speed is 6,800. And 6,800 is pretty standard for most Babyliss tools, so the 75 is actually kind of cranked up. It kind of feels turbocharged. New dual high capacity lithium ion battery, up to 4 hours of runtime. New battery level LED indicator screen. New compact ergonomic design. Rubber grip and secure finger grooves for comfort and control. And wireless charging compatible. Includes 6 precision comb attachments, USB-C compatible, FX cord compatible. So if you guys don't want to do the wireless charging, you guys can use your standard FX cords or USB-C. And I believe the USB-C is going to charge the fastest. But anyway, that's it. We got some Spanish, I think, and maybe some French or something. So let's get a sticker off of here and get these things out. Oh. So I noticed inside you guys can see the sketches from the beginning to the end, so that's super cool. Go ahead and set that to the side. Go ahead and try to get this clipper out. You know they put these things in here really good these days. Come on, there we go. Got a little plastic cover on top. Set it to the side. Let's pull this green out. I want to talk about some of the stuff that is in here. So again, here is your cord and brick if you guys want to plug in your expansion pads or plug in the clipper. Extra cam follower, pretty standard stuff here. We got oil, blade cover, screwdriver, brush, instruction manual, get that out of the way. And one of my favorite parts of this drop, guys, let's go ahead and just pop all these out of the bags. Why I ripped that. All right, so you guys can see here are the precision guards. We have a 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4. And these are totally new guards, guys. Brand new design. I know my guy Beam had a lot of input on these. A lot less plastic. Let's go ahead and look at them. So a lot less plastic at the point. They're pointier. A lot less plastic here on the side. I'll look at them on the clipper. Well, we can go ahead and do that. So you guys see a little bit more room here on the side. They snap on. They do have a metal clip. Super snug to the clipper, and just less plastic to make sure we can get in there, feed the hair, cut the hair. And so far, guys, I'm loving these guards. You know I like the premium guards, but obviously with the T45, we're gonna be rocking with these. So 6 guards included. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Man, my desk is feeling, there's a lot in this box. There's a lot included in this kit. Let's get some stuff up out of here. I can breathe. All right, let's check out the clippers. So if you guys saw the first look, you've already seen it. Everything else we just talked about is what I wanted to show you guys, the unboxing, all the stuff included. And I'll just run through the clipper real quick. We already read it all in the box, but you guys can see it here, kind of a matte black gloss here where the screen is. This is where the LCD is. I'll turn it on in a second. It is matte black, gloss black BabylissPro. If we flip it over, I don't even think this was mentioned on the box, guys. Totally new lever. This is a brand new lever. You can see we got some grips up here on the front for when you push it down. And then when we go to push it up, it is ergonomic to the thumb. This is the most used part of a clipper. We touch it more than anything else, more than the power button, more than the guards. We literally do this hundreds of times throughout the haircut. So why are the levers all just straight, plain, bulky, not ergonomic levers? So I know Bossio took a lot of inspiration from, I think, a Logitech mouse for his computer. And if you look it up, it actually has some things that you can see. It's kind of like body lines that mimic this. But the lever is amazing. Same clicks, same stretch lever that Babyliss has been using here for a while. Now, if we flip it over, you guys can see the MIM blade. This thing is greased up, ready to roll. And then we have the rubber grip with a T45, kind of an indentation or embossed in the rubber. So it's got some grip. So if we put our 2 fingers here and flip it over, we can put our thumb in the thumb grip. Nice grip, guys, very comfortable. I've heard a lot of people talking about how big they are. They are not that big, guys. They look big because they're short, but they're really not any wider than like a low pro, a little bit wider at the bottom, but very similar size to a low pro, nothing crazy. So far I'm loving them. I've had them for about a week, and we're gonna bust this second set out and get to work. I let a couple of my guys at one of my shops borrow my first set to test out, so we're gonna get these things back on the station and keep making content for you guys. But let's go ahead and grab the trimmer and check it out. So we'll move through this a little quicker, guys. BabylissPro Tomb45, there's the trimmer in the window. Believe same things here. DS1 dual motor, up to 3 hours of runtime. Deep tooth MIM blade, guys. So this is the first MIM blade on a trimmer from BabylissPro. And let me tell you, it smacks and it crunches. It's like a cereal commercial. Snap, smack, crackle, pop. What is it? New compact ergonomic housing, wireless charging, 2-year warranty. Go ahead and flip it. Similar stuff here. So deep tooth metal injection molded blade, lower blade temperature, built-in reservoirs on the trimmer blade, so that is new, and it's obviously 0 gap adjustable. It does have a new reverse blade orientation, so when we get it out, you'll see what that looks like. Same dual speed motor, 7500 and 6800, 3 hours of runtime. So if you guys didn't catch, the clipper has 2 batteries, that's why it has a little more runtime. The trimmer has 1 battery and it has 3 hours of runtime. It has the LED screen, compact ergonomic grip, and wireless charging compatible. I didn't read this on the first one, but auto shut off when unit is placed on the charging pad. So that's something cool. If it's running and you shut it down, it will turn off. But let's go ahead and get this thing out. This is kind of the most different and exciting. I know you guys want to see it. So again, we have some drawings underneath the box, or inside of the box. These things are tough, guys. I find the best way is to pull that out like that. Then we can pop our trimmer out. We'll go ahead and pop this out. Not as many goodies as the clipper because we don't have guards for the trimmer, obviously. But again, we have our cord and our dock if you guys want to plug in your charger. Screwdriver, brush, 0 gap tool. It does have a black 0 gap tool. No more ugly maroon. We got the black one. Some oil and our sticker and all our normal stuff. So let's go ahead and get that 0 gap tool out because I'm going to adjust these things. We've been posting a lot of content, guys, on Instagram, on YouTube, and a lot of people asking the same old question. Does it hit like that out of the box? Guys, most trimmers are not that sharp out of the box. We don't want people that maybe aren't as skilled or people that don't want a sharp trimmer to have something that's too sharp. So I have a lot of content on how to adjust these, but guys, we all adjust our trimmers, but they don't really need a lot. They're gonna cut pretty well out of the box, but of course I like to adjust mine a little tighter. All right, so here is the trimmer, guys. BabylissPro gloss on the matte black, same thing. I didn't turn the clipper on. We'll do them both in a minute. We got the thumb grip, we got the LED screen. I didn't show you the bottom, but there's the USB-C and the FX cord. flip it over, same T45. One difference on the trimmer is the snap cover, so you can clean underneath. And if you guys look, you can see the blade is totally new and improved. So we just essentially took off anything that could come off that wasn't necessary, that was extra metal on the blade, so that you have more visibility when you guys are lining up, if you're trying to do different things, do designs. So you guys can see sharp, I think probably call it gunmetal, MIM trimmer blade. And if you guys notice, both have a green cutting blade. So now that we've checked them out, what do you guys notice that's different, right? We talked about the trimmer has the reverse blade. So if you guys pay attention, the trimmer is facing down when it's laid on its back. That is because it is engineered to pick up, turn on, and go straight to doing lineups. Now, of course, guys, you can still flip it, do your scooping for balding out, for whatever. You can still switch grips, do whatever you need to do. But the idea is you have it sitting down, we pick it up, turn it on, go straight to doing our line work. Now that is gonna be the main difference here from anything you've seen before. I don't believe there's any trimmer that's ever been done like that. It is a little different. You guys will take a minute to get used to it, but you can still cut in any type of capacity, whether it's backwards or not. But if you are somebody that does heavy lineups like my guy Beam, he is loving this thing. So I've been liking it so far, guys. It hits super well. The clipper cuts super well. And I'll be dropping a tutorial here soon, cutting my guy Markel with the T45s as well. So enough talk, guys. Let's turn them on. We've had some controversy on whether they are loud or not. So let's turn them on. You guys can decide. Now that's the low speed. You can see the light is off. Now if I hold this for a second, it's gonna kick up to the high speed. Now the trimmer, which I think is even quieter, which is surprisingly quiet, to be honest. Now that's the high speed. You guys can see the T45 lit up. And that's the low speed. Now that just made me realize something, guys. It is gonna remember the setting that you leave it on. So it's not gonna always start on low and you have to turn it up every time or anything like that. It's gonna come back on with however you left it. Let me show you guys how these things sit on the wireless charging pads. Guys, if you look real close, they have a notch out of them. So if we set them down and slide them back, they will hit. I don't have a cord over here, I'll plug them in. I got some footage I'll show you. And then they will turn on and start charging. Well, not turn on, but they'll start charging. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for the T45 unboxing. If you guys want to pre-order these, I have a link in the description. You guys can pick them up. They're gonna start shipping, I think, late February, early March. And I'm telling you guys, you wanna get your hands on them. If you rock with Tomb45, if you rock with BabylissPro, if you rock with me, go pick these things up. Let me know what you think about them. Leave me a comment down below on what you think of all this new stuff. All the stuff that came in this box, all this crazy new innovation from Babyliss and Tomb45. I think it's pretty cool, but I gotta get back to work. So y'all check out that video right there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.